Hey folks, welcome back to the Code Chic. If you're new on this channel, my name is Fanny and we are learning web development together. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a GitHub account. So first, GitHub is simply a web-based interface that uses Git, which is an open source version control software that lets multiple people make separate changes to a web page or to web pages at the same time. It also allows real-time collaboration. GitHub encourages teams to work together to build and edit their site content. Now, GitHub is one of the tools we shall be using for web development. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to create a GitHub account. First, you open your browser and then you go to github.com. Once you're on github.com, you see there is sign up for GitHub and sign up button on the top right corner and also one right here. If you already have an account, you can just sign in. So before you create a GitHub account, you need to make sure that you have an email account. So I'm going to use a Gmail. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account, comment down below so that you can get assistance. So we click on the sign up button. Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. First, enter your email. Make sure you have a working email address. Then we create a password. Make sure that the password is something that you can easily remember. And make sure that it is strong enough. Press enter. Then enter username. Now it is possible that the name you might be wanting to use is taken just as you see here. So feel free to find another username. Let's use a dash. So this username is available. Press enter. Please solve the puzzle to verify that you are a human. Start puzzle. Pick a spiral galaxy. Pick a spiral galaxy. Pick the spiral galaxy. Pick the spiral galaxy. Thereafter, we click create account. Now you're almost done. Set a launch code to your Gmail account. So you enter that code. So what you do is you log into your Gmail. So copy the code, paste it. There you go. You've successfully created a GitHub account. So here you can choose how many team members you'll be working with, or you just put just me and then continue. If you're a student, you can specify. If you're a teacher, you can specify, or you can skip the whole process. Now, what specific features are you interested in using? Collaboration and coding, automation, security, client apps, team. So you can check all that you want. Let's check that. Let's check that. And then click continue. So we are going to be using the free version of GitHub. This comes with unlimited public repositories and also private repositories, 2000 action minutes per month, 500 MBs of package storages, and then community support. So we shall go with the free version and we say continue for free. There we go. Now we have successfully created a GitHub account. So we can check here on our account. You can view your profile from here. You can edit, just write the name here. Learn, grow, and thrive. So you can add in your Twitter handles, website, username, location, company. You can also change your profile picture. So thank you guys for watching. This was basically how to create a GitHub account. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to set up Git. GitHub works alongside with Git. So stay tuned and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.